In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable spelling check and autocorrect in Outlook. If you want Outlook to help catch typing mistakes as you write emails, this is a quick setting to turn on, and it can make a big difference in keeping your messages clear and professional. We'll be working directly inside Outlook Mail, and I'll walk you through the exact path to find these options. Start by going to Mail in Outlook. Once you're on the main mail screen, look for the new button and click it. To begin creating a new message, opening a draft first is helpful here because it gives you access to the writing tools you'll need. After the new message window opens, click on Mail. From there, find and select Editor. The Editor tool is where Outlook keeps its writing assistance features, including options for correcting mistakes and checking your spelling while you type. Next, click on Editor Settings. This will open the settings panel where you can control how Outlook handles writing suggestions and corrections. If you don't see everything immediately, take a moment to look through the available options carefully, since these tools are usually grouped together. Now, turn on the setting for Enable Autocorrect. This allows Outlook to automatically fix certain common typing errors as you write. It's especially useful for fast email drafting, where small mistakes can easily slip through. After that, also turn on spelling. This enables spelling checks, so Outlook can detect misspelled words and help you review them before sending your message. Using both of these features together gives you a better safety net when composing emails, whether they're quick replies or more formal messages. Once both settings are enabled, click OK to save your changes. That confirms the update and applies the new editor preferences to your Outlook experience. And that's it. Spelling check and autocorrect are now enabled in Outlook. A good tip after finishing is to type a few words into your draft email and intentionally include a small typo just to confirm the features are working the way you expect. If they are, you're all set. These tools can save time, reduce errors, and make your emails look more polished with very little effort. If you regularly send messages for work, school, or personal communication, keeping these settings on is a simple way to improve accuracy every time you write.